That was pretty quick. Just 1 hour to get ready and step out. Sunset is at 8:30. So we're going to go out to have a tour of the city. Come on, let's go. So we get started. Athens, as we all know, is the birthplace of the Western civilization. This city is a treasure trove of philosophy and culture. On our city tour, what I'm going to be doing is showing you two parts. One, it's going to be what we see this evening, and the next tomorrow morning. The first stop this evening is going to be the Panathenaic Stadium, and from there we move on to the Monastiraki Square, and then going ahead we'll go to the bottom of the Acropolis, where we're going to be having dinner tonight. This is a stunning marble stadium, also known as the Kalimarmaru. Of course, it's steeped in history, having hosted the first modern Olympic Games in the year 1896. You can hear a guide telling us a little about the city.
Stadium is used mostly for concerts, for political rallies. Of course, that torch ceremony I was telling you, to Greece and faced the Greek armies in the city of Marathon. So Marathon is a city that exists until today, that is 42 kilometers out. Over there was a battle. The Greeks, he foresaw that the Persians, they will not just leave, they will seek revenge. And the Persians knew that here the city was unguarded. There was no army here, the city of Athens, I mean. That's why you see in the courtyard a lot of, let's say, weapons, a lot of aircrafts in front. Those are So as I was saying, the local people, since they saw the Germans running the country, they were not happy, especially those fighters that they fought against the Turkish occupation. So year 1843, 3rd September, the locals of Athens gathered places, and here on the left, this is the biggest shopping mall in the city, in the heart of the city, Attica. This is the large wide after after Italy and Spain. And the main powerhouse of our economy is to be fined by the police. So please be ready. Whatever you need, you can take it with you. Berix?
The Monastiraki Square. This bustling hub is a sensory delight with street vendors, cafes, and historic charm around. We walked around, spent some time, picked up something to eat, and of course picked up some souvenirs too.
They make really good sushi.
And finally, we're here at the foot of the Acropolis. This is an amazing sight. We're going to be dining at Dinosaurs Zoners, which is a fine dining restaurant at the bottom of the Acropolis. It of course offers modern Greek food in a stylish glass-fronted venue, which is of course built in the 1960s, offering great view of the Acropolis. Come on, let's go up and see. I'm sure the view of the Acropolis will be even better from there, especially after the sunset. And not to miss on the food. Bon appetit. We had some great Greek dinner, and now it's time to get back to the hotel and get some well deserved rest. Continue watching and see what happens tomorrow morning. Good morning from Athens. This is the stunning Cathedral Basilica of St. Dominus, a magnificent Catholic church. This is a must see. Of course, we're not going in right now, just walking past. And we'll be walking through the charming neighborhood of Neopoli, a historic area known for its beautiful architecture, narrow streets, and tranquil atmosphere. So that was quite a long walk, and we're now getting to the Monastiraki Square. It will be interesting to see the changing of the guards across the road in front of the Parliament, and of course there is also the tomb of the unknown soldier. That's the heart of Athens, or heart of Athens, learning to say the right way, Monastiraki Square. The square is bustling normally towards the evenings. super breakfast to start the day. And I'm told on the 10th floor, it's right on top of the building, there's a nice spot from where I can view the entire city. I'm gonna go up there and check it out. So that's pretty much in this video, and lots more coming your way. Watch out for my next videos. I'm sure you'll like each one of them. Bye bye.